Hey, real estate investors, here's another case study on a note deal that we have taken down the process of getting this thing finished up with rehab. So give you a bit of the numbers. This is a property in Anderson, Indiana. We bought the first lien. It was vacant. What it was actually a reverse mortgage where the borrower had passed away a couple years ago. Pretty decent. They owed $89,000 on this property. It's worth about $115, $120 when we first started taking a look at it. Value's gone up a little bit and it stayed very normal. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, 1,404 square foot with a basement that's unfinished. But those basement, I said borrowed about $89,000. We picked up this note. We actually bought this note for $45,000. That's right. So we got it at 50% of the debt and roughly just under about 40%, below 40% on the actual value. Now it took us, we thought it'd take us about 6 to 8 months to foreclose, but guess what? The lender had already done most of the foreclosure, so it took us just under 2 months to get this thing foreclosed out, took it back. Our opening bid was $89,000 in the auction, nobody overbid it, so we took the property back. We're gonna put a little rehab into it. It's actually taken longer than expected because had to get the electrical redone on the box and put some GFCI outlets on it, and that's taking long because the city's a little difficult to work with. But that, anyway, still a deal we're working on. We're going to get ready to put it. Doesn't need much work, a little bit of paint and carpet. That's about it. A little bit of clean out, a lawn maintenance, so under 20 grand rehab. So we've got a private investor on it. We're paying them basically 10% on the private capital that we borrowed initially. So excited about this deal. We'll end up netting somewhere around about $40,000 to $50,000 when it's all said and done. Or I can keep it as a rental, and it'll rent for about $1,500 a month. But I'm going to sell it and make the money as an REO.